you're actually in a really good position now because you can pretty much do anything you want. You're responsible for your own happiness, you know?
Good Lord, that's depressing.
No, it's not.
I'm responsible for my own happiness. I can't even be responsible for my own breakfast.
What would make you happy? Happy.
Wish that I could see the world like you.
Really?
I don't know, you had this, like, belief in this cosmic order. I really envy that.
You don't want to be like me. I'm not happy at all.
I assumed that you want me to be happy because I want you to be happy.
Michael, let me make this very easy for you. I could give it about your happiness. Happiness.
I don't care if you are happy or not.
I mean, that's part of what's wrong with everything. Fuck Woody Allen and his whole the heart wants what it wants bullshit. Nobody cares if they damage other people.
Anyway, being happy isn't all that great. I mean, the last time I was really happy, I got so fat.
When I was a child, actually it was so important to have this miserable childhood because I think nobody anything do from happiness. Happiness is a state you don't want to change. Happiness is a state is not creative because you're just happy, that's it. But if you're miserable and you have a really bad childhood, you have a big chance to become better artists because you have so much material to work with. And I had that.
I was working at Al's all day.
Yeah? You smell like work. What is that? Kush?
Super Jack.
Look at that.
Don't what? Be happy?